Halo 2. First thing you want to do is make sure your machine is turned off. And you're going to remove the side screws on the fascia. First one right here, closest to the power supply. Second one is closest to the printer on the other side. You'll tilt the fascia forward. On this side over here, you got two connections. And take your screwdriver. You got 4 screws. The one under the paper comes totally out. You have those three screws in the corners, just loosen them a little bit. Entire printer will come right up. Here's where the two connections are. When we're putting the printer in, and line them up on the big hole over here and slide it forward. Just give that a little tighten. Put the screw back in this corner. And then